Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here, and today I'm reading to you some letters that I wrote to you, and you can find them in my book Divine Soul Whispers. This one is called A Different World. Hello, my loves. It's a different world we are living in. The polarity is clear: love versus hate, abundance versus lack. As the people find the path to healing, the boiling point is reaching extraordinary proportions. The root of injustice has to be revealed and exposed for it to heal. The light is shining so bright, revealing all the hidden walls. No stone will remain unturned. The root will be uprooted in order to allow healing to begin. It's not as an easy process for those who can stand in strength. Now is the time to keep on standing for those who for those swept for those swept up in the confusion. This too shall pass. Let compassion and patience increase, for all expressions of injustice stem from pain. May divine wisdom guide our healing process as we find our footing on the new earth. Much love from Mother Eagle. I hope this blesses you. Yes, every once in a while I like to write to you some letters just on things that I think about. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.